Find or read reviews that people are talking about DeeprBlu above ground pool surface skimmer, automatic pool skimmer for top of water, wall mount surface skimmer with removable skimmer basket. Floating pool filter pool cleaning maintenance kit. See illustrations with descriptions. We will present some outstanding or some interesting features. Because the product you're watching right now is new, and we're one of the first sites that is presenting this product. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you should choose this product. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Premium material. The above ground pool skimmer is made of durable polypropylene and ABS plastic, unaffected by pool chemicals such as chlorine and bromine tablets, and will last for years in your pool. This premium wall-mounted surface skimmer for above-ground pool that automatically skims out leaves, bugs, and debris from the pool's surface before they sink. Keep your swimming pool water clean and clear. Easy to mount. Our wall-mount pool surface automatic skimmer is so easy to mount. And the automatic pool skimmer for top of water is equipped with detailed installation instructions. Simply mount the wall-mount surface skimmer over the pool top edge, attach pool surface skimmer to the pool's filter pump for automatic skimming and suction, and it will go to work. So it does the hard work while you relax and swim. Efficient design. The wall-mount pool skimmer is available in two different adjustable adapter for above-ground pools with inflatable pool collars, tubular structures or metal frame structures. And the bracket is adjustable, allow you to flexibly adjust the height of the wall-mount pool skimmer at any time without lowering or raising the water level. It keeps the leaves off the bottom of the pool, so that a huge win for you. Easy to use. A removable skimmer basket is fitted inside the pool skimmer system. With a light pull, the floating debris can be quickly cleaned and poured out. If you get gnat invasions frequently, and was fed up with scooping before swimming, so why not just try it? Simply install the skimmer, and working in conjunction with pool skimmer socks, within 15 minutes all of the surface debris was in the basket. You don't have to spend a lot of time manually removing the debris with a handheld skimmer. Save your time. After using this floating skimmer for above ground pool, you will be super excited to be able to just hop in your pool anytime without prep job prior. Greatly reduce the time you spend cleaning and maintaining your pool. For best results, use with above ground pools that include filter pumps of flow rates of 800 GPH, 3028 liter per hour, or more. Ready to announce to your friends and family that the Swim with the Debris program has ended for the season. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe. Press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.